steering position. In case you don't have a overlock machine, just do this manually. Okay. In case you don't have an overlock machine, you can do this to find your long trouser or your fabric along the edges here. You can find like this in case you don't have an overlock machine. Look at this one here. I'm loading thread into the bobbin. Loading thread into the bobbin. This is the bobbin. You can see the bobbin, and this is the bobbin case. Bobbin case. It's okay. Let us continue finding here. This is an African trouser for ladies. African trouser for ladies. And now I'm finding using this machine. I'm finding here around the edges. This one is done usually for those tailors who don't have an overlock machine like me, but the work must continue because we are told that we should look for a second option. So if you don't have an overlock machine, you can use this method here. Use this method here to find along the edges like this. You see this one, I've tried to put this lining here to avoid transparent. Okay, to avoid transparent. You can see this back part. This is back part. See now, find like this. Very smart. Let me go to the second one. ready to teach you on how to make a long trouser, even a short trouser, long trousers and short trousers. I can teach you very well. Generally, men's suits, I can teach you how to make your money without depending on someone. Learn here, and you can start making money independently without depending on someone to give you money. You can learn here. Now these are flies. We have left fly and right part of the fly. So let us start with the left one. Let's start with this one right here. Just follow keenly. Follow keenly. Naked Truth TV tailoring right here. In case you want to give me some job, you want me to teach you, or you want me to repair your clothes, or you have fabric there and you want to make a wedding suit, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. In case you have oversized cloth that you need a tailor to reduce it, right here. I'm your professional tailor right here. I think you have seen that process. Now this side, this is right side of the fly, and this one is the one that you put your zip. You put your zip right here. You can see. Just look at this one. Now you bring the front parts, starting with the right one, this one. Just put here like this. Hope you are watching keenly. This part is finished. it there. And now let us make the left. Let us turn. Tunageuza this left side fly, and we do it like this. Just watch here. You can see my scissors. Turn like this, you turn like this, inside out, inside out, inside out, like this. This one, you remove this one. This is front part, left side. This one, and then you bring your fly. See, you put it here. Keep following, like there, subscribe, share, and learn. And in case you want to ask any question concerning tailoring, feel free to drop your comment on the comment section, and I will read it and I will reply to you. See now it is to join front parts, joining front parts together. Follow keenly, follow keenly. Parts. Follow keenly. Follow keenly. See here. See, now I have joined it here. And see now I want to stitch here up to here. Ni aje? Poa sana. Mera.
Unajitetea ukiwa pande gani?
Mera nango.
Kila best. Hivi yalo kitu kwa man. Left or right?
Akio Mera.
Ni vitu ilisha.
Imagine
na mambo hiyo vitu unasema.
Imagine hii ni kitu kidogo tu.
Zip unaweka na pesa ngapi? So nakaa tena naona sema nataka
zip. Zip mwari original or mwari katikati?
Weka tu katikati.
Katikati.
Bora bali sionekane.
Bila pitch kende. Bila pitch kende.
Bila pitch duto.
Bila pitch kende Mera. Pesa Martin. Pesa Martin kayo.
Right. Si pamoja na kununua na kuweka.